फिर से कम ध्यान से सुनना। एक वर्ड अगर गड़बड़ होगा तो रिपीट करता हूँ, जब तक सब सही नहीं बोलूंगा तब तक बोलूंगा, ठीक? रेडी? 1 2 3 go. Uniform circular motion is an example of non-uniform motion because direction is variable with non-uniform acceleration because direction is also variable, direction of acceleration is also variable. Oh no, this is good. Uniform circular motion. Ready 1 2 3 go. Uniform circular motion is a non-uniform motion because direction of velocity is variable with non-uniform acceleration because direction of acceleration is also variable. In uniform circular motion, angular speed is constant and angular velocity is also constant. Angular velocity constant and angular acceleration zero. Speed constant इसलिए tangential acceleration zero. Direction is variable, velocity is variable, velocity variable, acceleration होगा, acceleration AC 0 से A बराबर AC हो जाएगा। AC हमेशा velocity के